Hi, good day. Welcome to another moment with Love Mentor. My name is Nwakama and this is hearttohearttv. Like you all know, I love to drop videos like this every Sunday. And if you're just new on this TV is all about relationship, marriage, and career tips. And I don't want you missing it. So you subscribe with the red button below and turn your notification bell so you can get notified each time we do a post on this hearttohearttv. Today I want to have the episode 2 of a very important topic that we've treated on this hearttohearttv, and that topic is how to fix a broken relationship. In episode 1 we just gave few points on how to fix a broken relationship, and if you have not watched it, please go through the link below to watch that episode 1, because that's the only way you can understand episode 2 of this topic. You know, it's a long process to save a relationship that is breaking or that has broken. For it to take another shape, you need to put in a lot of effort, patience, and guidance to actually see positive results. For this particular topic, we'll be having episode 1 to 5, so you don't miss it. You just take your ass to this TV so you can watch all the episodes. If you also want to watch other episodes, go through the link below. You're gonna see that, so you go there and watch it after this video. I've been through breakup. I have made mistakes because of a breakup, and I have tried some things that actually worked, and I was able to save a breakup. And I've also helped so many people go through breakup and save their relationship. So today I'm going to give you another 3 powerful points that will really help you to fix a broken relationship. So you stay tuned. Welcome back. The first thing you need to look at is what was wrong, or what were my errors. Number 1, what were the errors? The errors may be from your own side or from your partner's side. But now you're going to be looking at it from your own side first, because sometimes you could be part of the reasons why that relationship actually broke up. You may love to check, were you actually loyal in that relationship? Was your partner actually faithful? Were you respectful? Did you actually think of what they were thinking? If all of this is really checked properly and you're being sincere with yourself, you would know if you have at least 1% of error in that relationship. It could be maybe you just overlooked the red flags. So you pick up the error and think if you still want that relationship or not. So the next step you need to think about is the best time to connect. You need to give that relationship time. It could be 1 week, it could be a few days, but you need to give space so that your partner could actually calm their nerves down. Sometimes some partners don't really calm their nerves so soon. Sometimes it takes a little while for them to do so. While some they just want to calm down, maybe within a day, and they'll be fine. So when you look at the best time to connect with them, then you need to find out how to reach them. But this is not a kind of phone call conversation. You have to find a way to make sure that you see them, maybe where they go to, you just throw them, but you should know that you should be looking good. You should not be looking stressed out, so that they wouldn't feel maybe you're actually being crippled because of the broken relationship. Sometimes that style you're actually using may not work for your partner, because the partner may not even have calmed down yet. So when they see you, they just give you an attitude and move. Don't feel bad. You just know that you will still find the time to connect with them, because when you connect with them, then I'll tell you what to do next. 3. The third thing you need to do is you ask, how do I wrong you, baby? How do I wrong you, baby? That question is actually going to touch his or her heart, because if you're in a relationship and there is a connection after a long breakup, and you're actually asking your partner at that moment, telling your partner, how do I wrong you, babe? At some point, it's really going to touch the deeper part of your heart. So as soon as this question is going deep down, I tell you, if that partner still wants you, that partner will be willing to tell you how you actually wrong them. But if that partner doesn't want you, trust me, that partner may not want to tell you how you really wrong them. So that is the 3 points I'm going to give you. So you should watch that video of episode 1 and watch this other video, and ensure you drop your comments below this video, because I want to hear from you. If this point you've used them before and it has actually helped you, I want others to actually hear from you, hear your story, because I have my story. And as soon as you watch the episode, you will hear a lot about my story. So you stay tuned to Heart to Heart TV. Follow us on all our social media platforms. And thank you always. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn your notification bell to get notified each time we do a post on this TV. Usually we do a post every Sunday, and during the week, if we have questions that we think other people could actually benefit from, we usually drop them during the week. So you stay tuned, and I love you. Bye.